Let's get started with writing our own class, which will be a general blueprint for a room in our text adventure game. Begin by opening a new Python file and save it as room.py. We create a class and give it a name like this. We have deliberately given the class a name starting with a capital letter because this helps us to distinguish between class names and variables. Move to the next line and indent your cursor by pressing the Tab key. Add code to define the constructor method, which is always called init, with a double underscore either side of the word init, like this. Now let's add the attributes for our room. Perhaps the room should have a name, for example. We could also store a description of the room to provide some atmosphere. Add these attributes to your constructor method like this. Setting the attribute values to none means that they will start off with no value. Sometimes we might want to allow people to set the values of these parameters when they create the object. Let's add a parameter to the constructor called roomName. Now change the code inside the constructor to tell Python to set the value of the attribute self.name to the room_name provided.